Welcome back to Closing Bell. Just over 2 minutes left of trade. There's the S&P 500 intraday chart. We are just in the green as we approach the close. Only up a point or two. The low of the day was down 12, as you can see, right near the open. But steady improvement throughout the session and a little bit of green to talk to right now. Half screen of the major indices. The Nasdaq slightly higher as well. Dow is down, and that's largely been Boeing that's weighed on the Dow. And also the Russell's declining just a little bit. But for all of those indices, steady improvement throughout the session and a little bit of gains for two of the four indices. Sectors for you, both consumer sectors doing relatively well today, the likes of utilities, real estate and industrials towards the bottom. But again, a fairly thin range as we look at the individual sectors. They're just going to show you the dollar. A little bit of help there today. A weaker dollar. It's been strong of late. Not below 97, but only just above 97 with a 0.4% decline on the dollar index today. Bob Pisani, main takeaways.
Yes, we are positive on the S&P. This is quite a feat with Boeing dragging a lot of industrials down today. This is the 8th straight day. We're closing here positive territory. When was the last time we did that? October 2017. Very impressive. Banks were up throughout the day. We saw semiconductors move up. Energy, oil, $64.45. That's a rather remarkable number. I just want to show you Boeing here. If we could put there, thank you for Boeing. There at 17. That's 119 points on the downside for the Dow Jones. In other words, the Dow would be up if it wasn't for Boeing. And again, we've done this so many times. This is the problem with these price-weighted indices. Boeing far and away the highest price stock on the Dow Jones Industrial is $374. So you kind of have to not throw it out, but you have to look at it in that particular light. And you can see technology's been moving up throughout the middle of the day, and that's been the primary mover here with the semiconductors moving up, and why the S&P 500's turned positive. Energy as well.
And even when we were lower earlier today, VIX very low. Quite a relaxed
lowest level of the VIX for the year on Friday, and here we are with the VIX at 13, up only a third of a point right now.
As you said, banks having a good session. We're going to talk about more of them in the next hour. Big week for them ahead. But there is the bell. S&P does indeed close higher by just 0.08% or 2 points. Russell and Dow are slightly lower. Nasdaq also holding on to slight gains. Steady improvement throughout the session, as we mentioned. That does it for the first hour of the close.